At National Lift Truck, we do training right. Our instructor is highly experienced and dedicated full-time for our customers' training needs. We offer training here at National Lift Truck located in Franklin Park, Illinois, or anywhere in the Chicagoland area at your place of business. Online training is also available. All of our operator training programs include both classroom and hands-on instruction to ensure your employees are prepared to handle the dangers of the workplace. We perform operator training for all classes of industrial forklifts, telehandlers, boom lifts, scissor lifts, and more to ensure OSHA and ANSI compliance. This covers topics such as risk analysis, fall protection, and rescue planning. With National Lift Truck also providing sales, rentals, parts, service, and transportation for your material handling and aerial equipment, we will find the solution to any workplace issue you may have. Upon completion of the course, all operators will be awarded training certificates and wallet cards stated to earned qualifications. Contact us today for a consultation and to schedule your team for operator training.